Are you feeling overwhelmed by everything you should include in your research? The Moscow method might be exactly what you need. Originally developed for project management, it offers a powerful way to categorize research components based on necessity rather than urgency. Must-have items are essential items without which your research cannot succeed, like core data collection or ethics approval. Should-have components add significant value but aren't absolutely critical, like additional visualizations. Could-have elements would enhance your research but could be omitted if necessary, like expanded discussion points on peripheral topics. Won't-have items are explicitly excluded from your current scope, a critical category that gives you permission to say no. I find this framework particularly valuable during the research design and the project planning phases. One of my doctoral students used the Moscow to streamline literature review. The result, a more coherent, impactful analysis completed in half the expected time. The blog post includes an example of how you can apply the Moscow method in your literature review. Find the link in the description box below this video.